The landscape of digital photography has undergone a seismic shift over the last decade, and at the epicenter of this revolution is Sony. What started as an ambitious foray into the mirrorless market has matured into a dominant ecosystem that caters to every conceivable niche of the photographic world. Choosing the best Sony camera isn't just about picking the one with the highest price tag, it's about understanding the synergy between the sensor, the autofocus algorithms, and the ergonomics that suit your specific style. Whether you are a landscape photographer seeking the absolute peak of resolution, a wedding photographer who needs unfailing reliability in low light, or a travel enthusiast looking for a compact powerhouse, the Alpha lineup has a solution. In this deep dive, we are ranking the top 5 Sony cameras for photography, moving from our favorite entry point powerhouse to the brand new flagship that is currently setting the industry standard. We will explore the nuances of their sensors, the complexity of their AI-driven autofocus systems, and the technical specifications that make each of these bodies a formidable tool in the hands of a creator. To ensure you find the perfect match for your kit, I've included links to all these products in the description below. Starting our list at number 5 is the Sony a6700, a camera that proves you don't need a full-frame sensor to achieve professional-grade results. For many years, APS-C cameras were seen as stepping stones, but the a6700 changes that narrative by borrowing the high-end AI processing technology from Sony's most expensive full-frame bodies. This camera is built around a 26-megapixel back-illuminated Exmor R CMOS sensor, which provides a significant boost in sensitivity and noise reduction compared to previous generations, supporting an ISO range from 100 to 32,000. To dive into the technicalities, the a6700 features 759 phase detection points, covering approximately 93% of the image area, ensuring that your subject is locked in regardless of where they move in the frame. Furthermore, it boasts 5-axis in-body image stabilization, providing up to 5 steps of compensation, and a high-speed Beyond's HR engine that allows for 11 frames per second continuous shooting with full AF/AE tracking. Supported by a massive buffer, makes it a silent assassin for street photography and wildlife, where you cannot afford to miss a single micro-expression. The addition of the dedicated AI processing unit allows for human, animal, bird, insect, and vehicle recognition, making the autofocus feel almost telepathic. It's the perfect blend of portability and power, offering a lightweight body that doesn't compromise on the tactile feel or the customizability that professionals demand. If you want the latest tech in a compact form factor, this is the gold standard for cropped sensor photography. At number 4, we look at a camera that many consider the most important mirrorless camera ever released, the Sony Alpha A7 III. Even as newer models enter the market, the A7 III remains a top choice for photographers who prioritize value and proven performance over the latest bells and whistles. It features a 24.2-megapixel full-frame sensor that strikes a perfect balance between high-resolution detail and manageable file sizes, making it an ideal choice for wedding and event photographers who shoot thousands of frames in a single day. Technically speaking, this camera provides a stunning 15-stop dynamic range at low ISO settings, allowing for incredible recovery of shadows and highlights in post-production. It is equipped with dual CD card slots for instant backup and the high-capacity NP-FZ100 battery, which offers a SEPA-rated 710 shots per charge, still one of the best in the mirrorless class. It also supports uncompressed 14-bit RAW output, giving photographers the maximum amount of data to manipulate during the color grading and editing process. Dual SD card slots provide that essential fail-safe backup that professionals need, while the Z-series battery revolutionized the mirrorless world by offering over 700 shots per charge. While it may not lack the AI-specific chip of its younger siblings, its 693-point focal plane phase detection system is still faster and more reliable than many flagship DSLRs. It is a rugged, dependable tool that has stood the test of time and remains the best entry point into the world of professional full-frame photography. Moving to the number 3 spot, we have the Sony Alpha 7 IV. the camera that officially moved the standard full-frame line into a new era of high resolution and high speed. Sony listened to years of user feedback to create a body that feels more substantial in the hand, with a deeper grip and a more logical menu system. At the heart of this machine is a 33-megapixel X-More-R sensor, which offers a noticeable jump in detail over the 24-megapixel sensors of the past, without sacrificing low-light performance. The Alpha 7 IV steps up the game with a 759-point phase detection AF system that mirrors the flagship Alpha 1, and it introduces 10-bit HEIF support for smoother tonal gradations in your still images compared to standard JPEGs. The camera also features a high-resolution 3.68 million dot OLED viewfinder with a 120 FPS refresh rate and a heat-dissipating structure that allows for extended shooting sessions without thermal throttling. Additionally, the 5.5-stop 5-axis in-body image stabilization has been fine-tuned to work in tandem with stabilized OSS lenses, making handheld long exposures or sharp shots in dim churches much easier to achieve. This camera also features the focus map and breathing compensation tech, which, while great for video, helps photographers visualize their depth of field and focus planes in real time. It is the quintessential all-rounder, capable of shooting a high-end fashion editorial in the morning and a fast-paced sports game in the afternoon. For the modern photographer who needs a camera that does everything exceptionally well, the Alpha 7 IV is the industry benchmark. Our runner-up at number 2 is the Sony Alpha 7R V, a camera built for those who demand the absolute highest level of detail possible. The R stands for resolution, and with a 61-megapixel full-frame sensor, this camera delivers images that can be cropped significantly or printed on large-scale billboards without losing an ounce of clarity. However, the Alpha 7R V is much more than just a high-megapixel body. It was the debut platform for Sony's sophisticated AI processing unit, which uses deep learning to recognize human skeletal forms. This means the camera can track a person even if they turn around, put on a mask, or move behind an obstacle. For the ultimate technical detail, the camera utilizes pixel shift multi-shooting, which can combine 16 separate images into one massive 240-megapixel file for architectural, archival, or fine artwork where every microscopic detail matters. The Alpha 7R V further impresses with an industry-leading 8-stop in-body image stabilization system and a unique 4-axis multi-angle LCD monitor that combines tilting and side-opening flexibility. It also boasts a 9.44 million dot quad XGA electronic viewfinder, providing the clearest and most lifelike preview of your shot in the industry, which is essential when you are trying to nail manual focus or check fine textures. The new 4-axis multi-angle LCD screen is a dream for landscape photographers, allowing for comfortable shooting from high or low angles in both portrait and landscape orientations. If your work lives in the studio, in the vast outdoors, or on the walls of a gallery, the Alpha 7R V is the most powerful tool in the Sony arsenal. Finally, we reach our number 1 spot, the Alpha 7 V. This is the new pinnacle of the Alpha series, representing the most advanced technology Sony has ever integrated into a photography-focused body. The Alpha 7 V is designed for the photographer who refuses to choose between speed and resolution, offering a next-generation sensor that provides breathtaking clarity alongside a processing engine that is light years ahead of the competition. This camera pushes boundaries with its next-generation Beyond's XR engine that processes data 8 times faster than previous versions, allowing for virtually zero blackout during high-speed bursts, ensuring you never lose sight of your subject during a critical moment. It features a revolutionary stacked sensor design that enables shutter speeds up to 1/80,000th of a second and a flash sync speed of 1/400th, shattering the limits of traditional lighting setups. Furthermore, it supports dual CF Express Type A slots and 5 GHz Wi-Fi for instantaneous file transfers to a mobile device or studio server.
The autofocus system has been upgraded to include predictive tracking, which uses AI to analyze subject velocity and pathing to maintain focus even in chaotic environments. This camera isn't just about the specs on paper, it's about the seamless way it disappears in your hands, allowing you to focus entirely on the art of composition and light. For those who want the absolute best that 2025 has to offer, the Alpha 7 is the undisputed king of the hill. The journey through Sony's current lineup reveals a company that is never satisfied with the status quo. From the compact innovation of the A6700 to the world-class engineering of the Alpha 7, there is a clear path for every photographer to find their perfect match. Investing in a Sony camera means more than just buying a body. It means gaining access to the world's most extensive library of native mirrorless lenses and a community that is constantly pushing the limits of what digital imaging can achieve. As you consider which of these 5 cameras is right for your kit, photography is about capturing moments that will never happen again, and having the right Sony in your hand ensures you'll be ready when they do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more gear reviews, and we'll see you behind the lens in the next video.